1985 Cagiva 350 alla Rosa. First start in, I don't know, 13 plus, maybe 15. I can't remember exactly. I think on my last video I put 13 plus, but we're probably more along the lines of 15, 16, maybe even 17. But it's around that. It's around 15 years at least, give or take a couple. And got my ghetto fuel system hooked up, proper ghetto. The carb was leaking, so I just had to give it a couple of whacks to free up the flow. New battery, so we actually have power now, which is good. And yeah, let's get to it then, I guess. How many kicks do you reckon? I reckon a hell of a lot. I know it was a pain in the ass to start when I was using it. Right, choke is, where are we? Yeah, there we go. Choke's on. Give it a couple of primers. It's a hard old gel to kick this. Let me do it with throttle open a bit. See if we can get it to suck some of that fuel in. She's a hard old girl, fucking hell. Carb's leaking a bit. I'll put that down for me sloshing it. Well, there we go. As if it's started. That is insane. Oh god, the fumes. I need some more fuel in it though. Wow. My leg's hurting already. Holy crap, can't believe it. I thought I was going to be kicking forever. My leg's hurting though. Even though it has a decompression lever, still gets you. Alright, let's see if we can get it to start with no choke on. Wow, that's hot already. So this is like 10 minutes after I've been running it, and it has been charging the battery. So that's just immense. Can't believe that. That was the last thing that I'd expect to be working as well, but that's spot on. Buzzing. Right, there you go. Here's body panels and stuff. A couple of other body panels. So, I don't know if you can tell, but it's, here you can tell by looking at the light, it's so smoky in here. But what a beast. Love it. Yeah, it must be at least 15. So let's think. I got it when I was 20. I rode it for 2 years. I'm 38. So that's 18. So 16 years. And it's sat outside in the rain under a tarp. I'll put a picture up if you haven't watched the other video. But it was a complete shed, really. And then I did a bolt frame, swing arm, you know, forks, everything. Had all of it sprayed. I had to get a new exhaust because the old exhaust was completely rotten straight through. But yeah, crazy. Oh, I'm so chuffed with that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that, guys. And till next time, goodbye.